It's going. You can push record then.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, what's good? Oh shit, the bus is here. What's good vlog? We went to the beach today. I actually got off the rock. Fuck, whatever. I'm messing up right now. We're trying to continue.
Yes, sir. Oh, Kaimana Beach. Waikiki.
I'm right here at the beach. Good vlog. I have to check my swipes. Gotta stay undercover while I do this. No. Oh! No. No. Yes. No. I'll continue later. I just went on top of dirty ass boss. On our way to the beach, you know, it's not like I see a beach every day, you know. I just live on Kauai with like no beaches, so it's pretty tough. But then, you know, right now we're heading down there. My ass is tired. So I came over here just cruising, but hopefully we're at the beach, so hopefully some honeys.
I got love all across the map now. What that body do, baby, I'm tryna map out. All I know is I had to take the bound route. Big dope, this bitch had to tap out. Ooh, you know I had to. Run up on the bros, that's a bad move. Money over bitch, now she think I'm a bad dude. How sad, oh yeah. 111 shit, that's why I stay. And this bitch is really a lot of hate. Don't care as long as getting paid.
First time
Trying to get the clout, boys.
That's so crazy.
Jay-Z song was on, and the Jay-Z song was on. What's good vlog? We're at the beach right now, so we're gonna show them the beach, Yeah, see everyone, show everyone, say what's up to the vlog, everyone. I know they don't care. Okay, so we're gonna sit here now, I'll get back to you guys in just a bit. Hold on, I'm still a fan, everyone. So yeah.
I cried when I saw him in person.
What is better, Aliki or Robert? Man, I know I compare. Wait, I gotta change my shorts.
Yeah.
Wait, go. Okay, what's good vlog? We're at the beach right now. As you see, everyone's just chilling.
I know, damn.
FIFA, I would've played soccer, but I couldn't kick to save my life. Yeah, I'm not like a carrying pasta.
Bro, this boy right here, he's a freaking legend. Legendary. Subscribe to this channel.
Right there, everyone. I found a YouTuber too.
Yeah, you already know. 6'4", 240. Out of Southern California.
So I just say what's up to the vlog. I'm just going around. Say hi. How's your beach day going?
Again, for the third time.
Yeah, shut up.
My bad.
What about your beach day?
The beach day's pretty chill.
That's nice. Oh, the thing's not even focusing. Wow. Yeah, now it is. So what's up to the vlog, everyone? Okay, what's happening? What's the hap?
So we got a little spike ball going right now. Winning. They're like down like 50 to like 12. But we're just playing for fun out here. No score. I mean, we're winning. I'm working these scores.
Yeah, I know. So what is your height? Just give us your identification.
Yeah, Thomas Valdescaro, 6'8". Yeah, Southern California, playing for the University of Hawaii for spike ball. Winning the state spike ball championship, as you can see. We're just, doing our thing out here. We're excited to get that. I'm always last.
Can you show us that on Roundhouse Kick?
Okay, what's good vlog? Wait, is it recording?
Yeah, so
okay, what's good vlog? Yes, right here.
From SoCal, I'm about to destroy. Rain's got nothing on me.
Like, where you go? overcoming my thoughts. So me and us together.
Walk
So
around
when I asked her out, she said I wasn't that type. I wish I was a little bit taller.
So
I
right
wish I
now,
was
I'm
a
a
baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I was calling my bitch. I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her. I wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat. I wish I had a brand new car. So far, I got this hatchback, and everywhere I go, yo, I get laughed at. And when I'm in my car, I'm laid back. I got an 8-track and a spare tire in the back seat, but that's flat. And do you wanna know what's really whack? See, I can't even get a date, so what you think of that? I heard that prom night is a bomb night with a hood ratchet, you know, type of really though.
Hey, you might get that.
Okay, we're doing a retake because we had unnecessary conduct on top. Yeah. Okay, we're back at it again. Ready? Ready? Go!
I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and 6'4" baller. I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and 6'4" baller. Wish I was a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller. Wish I was a little bit taller. Wish I was a little bit taller, y'all. Wish I was a baller. Wish I was a little bit taller. Wish I was a baller. Hey, I wish I had my way, cause every day would be a Friday, and you can even speed on the highway. I would play ghetto games, name my kids ghetto names. Little Mookie, Big Al, Lorraine. Yo, you know this one, real. So if you down on your luck, you should know just how I feel. Cause if you don't want me around, see I go slow, I go easy, I go greyhound. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody looks what's going down. Ah, yes, ain't that fresh? Everybody wants to get down like that. Wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat.
Go this way, in the shade, bro.
I wish I was a little bit taller. I wish I was a baller. I wish I had a girl who looked good. I would call her. Wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and 6'4" baller.
You guys want to really throw a ball good? Hand low, and throw like this. That's how you become a best QB. Ready now?
I wish I was like 6'9".
I'm training camp with Bob right now. I'm training the next running backs of the nation right here. As you see, I got my QB showing on the QB1. Okay, right here. I got my new running back right here. Say your name.
Ty. When it comes to playing basketball, I'm always last in everything. In some places never picked it off. So I
You're training, you know, ball security.
up in the bleachers with the rest of the girls who came to watch they man ball. I never understood black. I'm so sorry. I tell them scats, come on, got it with mine. I was like, you're talking that mess. You gave it in a city that's the size of a box and nobody knows your name. Glad I came to my senses. Like,
Yeah, we're not winning this question. We're not winning a game this year. We're not winning shit this year.
Wait, change the pose, change the position. Yeah, it's right. No, why are you not getting in the picture?
Get Barrel.
Come on, wait, Kieran, get barreled, bro. Get barreled. Yeah, Kieran.
Wait, Steph, get your head out of the shade.
Yeah. I have, guys.
How's that?
Okay, everyone, Kieran, how's your day?
Honestly,
How's your day?
amazing day. You can't beat it.
Okay. Everyone, how's your day? Okay, how's your day? How's your day?
That was good.
How's your day?
Fantastic.
Okay, how's your day?
That's good.
How's your day?
Pretty good.
You were doing homework the whole time.
It's okay.
How's your day? Oh, say that one more time. Oh, I never saw.
Yes.
How's your day?
I see my boys in the cruising in the rise with the ladies sitting by their side. People think we look crazy, but I think we look classy. But then again, that's only if you ask me.
No,
gets together to unwind, relax, and have a fun time. The DJ's spinning, so I grab the mic and be like, ain't nothing like them summer nights.
Thank you. That's a wrap.
We done.
The homies, the quality anything just to hit
How's
on. A nice summer night when they did it must be something in the air. Can't help but have a good time.
Okay, everyone, that's the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
The feeling is rare. They're at the past saying, goddamn, I wish I was there. To have a
Honestly,
drink,
make
have
sure
a
y'all go
token,
get
hook
it.
up
You know,
with
help a
someone
YouTuber
fine,
out.